In this video, I will show you how to play Phasmophobia on PS5 with keyboard and mouse. First, connect your keyboard and mouse to the PS5. You can do this with USB or Bluetooth. Head into Settings, Accessories, Other Accessories to make sure the system detects them. They'll work for typing and navigating menus. But here's a reminder, Phasmophobia on PS5 does not currently support keyboard and mouse in-game. That means you'll need a controller to play directly. But don't worry, there are two workarounds. One, use PS Remote Play on your PC and map your keyboard and mouse to act like a controller. Or two, use an adapter that emulates a controller while letting you plug in your keyboard and mouse. And that's it. For now, Phasmophobia on PS5 is controller only, but with these methods, you can still get the PC-like feel.